heard all about. First, before you write on your sticky note, I want you to turn and tell your partner the big idea in this part is, and some details.
The big idea is
The big thing I learned is, what is that text part mostly about? What did you learn about this?
Just put on top.
Oh, so the big idea is all about friction and friction rubbing together. Okay, so the big idea is about friction rubbing together. Turn and talk, please. Turn and talk to Julia. What is your guys learning in that? What's it mostly about? Oh, that's the big idea, right? So Brian, tell me some key details about friction. What's a key detail? Ooh, friction is bumpy. What else? What are other key details about friction? You talked about key details about friction? There are all the examples are in there. What is friction do? So it makes things stop. Friction has a bump. Everything has bumps. Friction. What else? Friction when things start together. Wow, you guys are keeping up with All right. Here is the sticky note I would like you to post it today. You are going to write, the big thing I learned is, for example, and then you will add your key details. What was the big thing that we learned? The big thing we learned was all about
Friction.
Great. Write that down, and you need to jot key details all about friction. Go. The big thing I learned is, what was that page? What can you tell me about friction on that page? I didn't tell you. So what else? Can you touch your hand as you say it? What else can you tell me about friction? Friction stops things. What else? What other key details? Friction and fun things. Yeah, rub together. Wow, you just told me 3 quick key details about friction, right? The big thing I learned is all about friction. For example, Jalen, did you write your sticky? Are you prepared to share with the class? Why don't you go back and reread it? All right, readers, we are going to have a quick class discussion about what the big idea is and what the key details were in this text. I'd like you to go to your border spot. Go. 3, 2, 1. All right, I'm going to keep the text up here so that you can use text evidence when we are talking. I am going to also put up our sentence frames. If you need help, chalk up here. If you are going to build on someone's idea, if you are going to revoice, or if you're going to ask a question, would like you to try to do one of each of those things. I will be tracking revoicing today. So, who would like to start us off? What was the big idea on this in this text? And what were the supporting details? Who would like to start us off? I'd like to see participation from, let's hear from Abraham.
The big thing is about friction, right?
Let's all identify that the big thing is all about.
Friction.
Great, hands up. Let's point as Abraham says the key details.
The key detail is is that friction is bumpy.
Ask someone to revoice.
Friction is bumpy. Can you respond to me? Everyone respond.
Leo is responding. Great job, Leo. So is he going? Said friction is bumpy.
I agree with you because mostly some surface have bumps.
Did it say that in the text? So is that another key detail?
I heard you say
Revoice.
I heard you say that you could find friction on small things, but they're a little bit bumpy. Small things are a little bit bumpy.
For example.
For example, like the floor is a little bit bumpy.
Yeah, even though it's smooth. What's another key detail that we heard in the text? We already said that everything, Nikki said everything has bumps or friction. Oh, hold on. We also said that Yvonne and Melanie and Melanie and Abraham said that even if something is smooth, like the folder, it still probably has a little bit of bumps and friction. What other key details were in this text? The text is right up here. Let's raise our hand to participate. I see 3 boys participating. I wonder if there could be some more girls that are participating today. Alex?
Something that I love about friction is when you rub your hands together, it is called friction.
Respond.
You actually agree with me. I agree with you, Alex, because when you rub your hands together, you feel
tell you something else about friction?
It tells me that frictions, anyway you touch something, you can still make friction in your body.
I'm responding to Melanie, what she just said.
Jackie? I agree with you because it says that what is a martial art to make it stop a force called friction. Everything is even in that feels smooth like glass or ice or some are still a little bit bumpy.
Interesting. I see Leo has one more thing he'd like to add on. I see Daniel participating in our class discussion. I see Aaliyah giving a thumbs up. Do you participate? One last comment. Leo, do you have another comment? And what does that have to do with friction? Is friction a force? Okay. Alright, so Leo's even adding on to what we read before about force and push, and that friction is also a force. So, friends, readers, let's look up at what our learning objective was today. We know that strong readers keep the big idea in mind. And we add key details to our thinking as we read. Today I expect that you are going to identify the big idea in your text and add examples of key details as you read. We will share your sticky notes at the end of reading today, and I expect that everyone has one. We will track our thinking at the end of reading and post our sticky notes. So you need to be prepared with a sticky note to share. Capiche? You are going to be reading your book club books. Raise your hand if you still have your book club books in your box and you know exactly what your topic is. If you have forgotten what your topic is, you may quickly look up here, and this is your book club books. These are the books that you will be reading today at your desk. Capiche? Jennifer, what topic are you reading about? What's your topic? Sharks, great. So when